Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about Dhyaan mudra. As the name suggests, this is a mudra that you practice while practicing meditation. This will help deepen your meditation. This has also numerous benefits: overcoming anxiety, depression, any kind of mental ailments, be it migraine, be it confusion, be it loss of consciousness, loss of attention. So to do practice this mudra, you basically place the left hand over your right hand and join your thumbs together. So this is a Dhyaan mudra. You can also place your right hand over the left hand, in which case it becomes Bhairav mudra. Initial was Bhairavi mudra. So you can do either ways, and in either case you will get the required result. But generally the consensus remains, that is left hand will be at the top, right hand will be the bottom. Left hand denotes your ignorance and right hand denotes your consciousness or knowledge. So practice this mudra for 20 to 30 minutes for best results. Practice this while meditating. You can chant mantra while doing it. You can also make Jnana mudra together while practicing the Dhyaan mudra. So what I'm doing is, instead of joining the thumb together, I'm basically joining the index finger and thumb. So this is Dhyaan mudra for Jnana mudra, which will get benefits of both Dhyaan mudra and Jnana mudra. So practice this 20 to 30 minutes at least every day to get more focus in work, more productivity in work, more livelihood in life. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.